To create this scrolling numbers animation effect in Canva, let's pick a video template and we'll go over to Element to select an image we'll use as background. We'll set the image as background and we'll click T on our keyboard to bring out the text box and change the text font to Tan Songbird. Then increase the text size to 45. We'll start adding in our text, which is the numbers we want to use. We would go to spacing and space that out to 270. Let's go to effects to add a holo effect. We would increase the thickness to 100 and position our text on the page where we want it. Then duplicate the text box into 2 places. We'll start changing the text numbers into what we want it to be, and we'll go over to the middle text and go to effect and change it to neon effect and increase the intensity to 100. Let's go over to our upload to grab a video we want to extract the audio from. We'll click the 3 dots and extract our audio. This is the audio we'll be using, and we'll delete the video. Now let's go over to elements and go over to frames to pick up a frame we want to work with and select this frame we want to be using. This frame is just like a placeholder. You can put in anything you want, and we'll position the frame and the numbers how we want them to be on the page. Then drag and drop an image into the frame. We'll go over to the page and duplicate this page, and we'll come into the second page and change the numbers so it can be going in an ascending number, and we'll drag an image into the frame. We'll duplicate the second page again by clicking Ctrl+D on our keyboard and going into the third page, which is the page we duplicated, and start changing the numbers to go in an ascending format, and we'll drag an image into the frame. We will duplicate this third page and go into the fourth page and start changing the numbers also to go in an ascending order, and we'll drag an image into the frame. We will duplicate the fourth page and go into the fifth page and drag an image into the frame and change the numbers on the page. We will continue this process until we get to the last page we want to create. We will be creating 15 pages to get the numbers to 2024, which is the year we are in. So just watch and we'll circle back in. We will duplicate this 14th page and go into the 15th page and change the middle text to 2024 and delete the other text boxes. We will drag our image into the frame. Let's click on any page and go over to timing and reduce our timing to 1.2 seconds and apply it to all pages. Then we'll hover between 2 pages and click on the transition to open the transition panel, and we'll apply the match and move transition and take the duration to the highest and apply it to all pages. Now let's click on play at the top right of our screen to preview our design. Isn't this beautiful? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like this video if you got value from it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.